Hello Year 3, welcome to today's comprehension learning for Tuesday the 26th of January. And Miss Morgan is back in her classroom today, which is very empty, which makes me really sad, but hopefully I will see you very soon. Okay, so we are going to start our lesson with our learning question. What do we want to achieve by the end of this lesson? And it says, can I write an adjective to describe a character, a witch? Can I use an adjective to describe the witch? What's an adjective? Now an adjective, our fancy word, describes a noun. So I know that a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Okay, so a person like Queen Victoria, a place like planet Earth, or a thing like a tree, a table, the floor, anything that you can touch, really. Okay, so an adjective describes that noun, that person, place, or thing. So I've put as my adjective old Queen Victoria. I'm describing her as old. My adjective for planet Earth is blue. Blue planet Earth. I'm describing my Earth. And then my adjective for my tree is wobbly. My wobbly tree. Okay, I'm describing the tree. Okay, so remember, adjectives are used to describe nouns. They're used to describe things. So adjective to describe the witch. Okay, I've put some questions to help you to use some adjectives to describe the witch here. I've put, is she beautiful? Is she tall? No. Is she evil? Yes, I think she's evil. So I might write evil. That is an adjective to describe my witch. Okay, so your task now, whoops, Miss Morgan's messing up a board like she does in school. Your task now is to get your whiteboard and your pen. Don't worry if you haven't got them now, you can go and get them in a moment. And in a moment, you will pause this video and have a go at writing some adjectives to describe my witch here. So I've wrote evil, evil. Okay, let me help you with another one. Now, she's not beautiful. We can't use the adjective beautiful. I don't think she's beautiful. Okay, I think she's quite short. Short. So I may write on my board sh or t, because that is describing my witch. Sh or t, short. Okay, so you can pause this video now and try to think of as many adjectives as you can to describe our witch. Okie dokie, I hope you've got lots of adjectives there. Let me think of some adjectives and you can see if you've got some similar ones to me. Okay, I can describe the witch as, oh, I think she's quite pointy. She's got pointy nose and pointy fingers. Now I know there's a word, an adjective, that lots of people use for witches, and that is wicked. I wonder if you've got wicked too. And it's spelled with a curly K and a kicking K together. Wicked. What about funny? She is laughing, so you could write funny. Okay. I can't wait to see some of the adjectives that you've come up with. Okay, so we are ready to move on now to our comprehension booklet. Okay, so make sure you get your book ready. If you haven't, just hit pause on the video so that you can get it ready. Okay, hopefully you've got your comprehension book by now. And today we are on pages 12 and 13. Oh, sorry, not 13. Ignore Miss Morgan. We are on page 12. It's not going well for me today, is it, guys? And it's called My Gran's a Witch. I hope my nana's not a witch. Okay. What I've done is I've highlighted some of my difficult vocabulary, which I might not know what means. Okay, so I've got wicked. So wicked just means you're a little bit evil. Okay. Thoughtful. Thoughtful means that somebody's an adjective to describe somebody that thinks about other people a lot of the time. So for example, Santa is very thoughtful because he gives lots of presents to boys and girls across the world, doesn't he? And then we've got broomstick. If you're not sure what a broomstick is, witches fly on them, or you can use them to sweep the floor with. Okay, so I'm going to read half of the text with you, and then I want you to read the other half of the text yourself. And remember, you can use your finger to help you to read our sentences. Lucy wasn't supposed to tell anyone, but her gran was secretly a witch. She wasn't a wicked witch. In fact, Lucy didn't know many people who were more friendly and thoughtful than her gran. Gran always used her magic for good. She had a magic broomstick, but she only went for a ride on it if she wanted a bit of fresh air, so she's a good witch. Okay, I want you to read the rest of this text on your own now, so hit pause on this video whilst you read the rest of the writing, and then we can go to our answers together. So hit pause. Okay, hopefully you have read that text so that you can find the answers to your questions. So, question number 1. What was Lucy not supposed to tell people? And what I've done here is I've underlined the words Lucy and tell, because I want to retrieve, I want to take those words from my text to give me the answer. Lucy wasn't supposed to tell anyone, but is our answer in that sentence? I think it might be. Number 2. Which word describes Lucy's gran? Circle your answer. So not just a word, but a what? What's our fancy word for a describing word? An adjective, well done. Which adjective describes Lucy's gran? Evil, kind, angry, or famous? No, I'm not sure that her gran's famous. I don't think that's the right adjective. And I don't recall from the text that her gran is angry either. Is she evil or is she kind? What made her different from other witches? Have a look at your text for the answer. And number 3, why did Lucy's gran keep her broomstick in the cleaning cupboard? Tick 1. So she kept it in the cleaning cupboard so Lucy would know it was where it was. She kept it in the cupboard so people would think it was just a normal brush, or she kept it in the cupboard so she could grab it quickly if she needed it. Ooh, which one was it? Now I think it was in the second part of the text where we could find our answer for this. Okay, so make sure you tick the one that you think it might be in. Don't just guess, okay? Look at your text to give you the answer. Okay, so our challenge today for your purple books, and if you don't have your purple books, you can just get any lined paper, okay, is going to be this. So if you haven't got your purple book, hit pause on this video and go and get it along with a pencil. Okay, so hopefully you've got it now. And what I've done is I wrote my date in my neatest joined up handwriting. Tuesday, the 26th of January. And I wrote comprehension, not on the next line, but on the line after to make it look really neat. What I'm going to get is my ruler. So if you've got a ruler at home, hit pause and go and get one now. If you haven't, try to find something straight at home, but make sure you ask whoever's looking after you if you can use something like a book or something like that that's straight, because I don't want you to get told off for getting ink on the book, okay? So underline your date and your title. If you're unsure how to spell comprehension, it is on the front of your comprehension book. Okay, what I've done is I've drawn a very evil, wicked witch. So I want you to draw me either a wicked witch, or it can be like in our text today, and you can draw a really kind, thoughtful witch. Okay, mine's evil. Okay. And you are going to write some adjectives, some describing words around your witch. Okay, so the first one that comes to my mind, the first describing word for me is evil. I'm going to write it here. E-V-I-L. Evil. Okay, what other words can I think of? Terrifying. My witch is terrifying. I'm going to write that one over here so that my adjectives aren't too close together. Terrifying. And I've used my joined up handwriting. Okay, can I think of another one? What do you think she looks like? How can you describe my witch? Spotty. She's got lots of spots on her face. Spotty, is that an adjective? Yeah, it describes my witch. S-O-T. Okay. So, remember, your challenge now is to draw your very own witch, whether she's evil or not, and to write me at least 4 adjectives, 4 around your witch. Okay, so 4 describing words around your witch. I'm really looking forward to seeing some of your photos. Sorry, not your photos, your pictures of your witches. I wonder how many evil witches we'll get and how many good witches we'll get. Okay, so I'll see you for tomorrow's learning. Bye-bye.